The players' auction for the Indian Premier League 2018 has come to an end, and now it's time for the action to unfold on the ground on April the 4th. All 8 franchisees have finished shopping for the 11th season of the homegrown 2020 league, which is touted as the most expensive 2020 league on the planet. All the 8 teams have finalized their squads. England all-rounder Ben Stokes emerged as the most expensive player in the auction, getting 12.5 crore from Rajasthan Royals, while the left-arm pacer from Saurashtra, Jaydev Unadkat, emerged as the most expensive Indian player when Rajasthan Royals snatched him for a whooping 11.5 crore. Amongst uncapped players, Mumbai Indians all-rounder Krunal Pandya garnered the highest bid when he was retained by the defending champions for 8.8 crore. Well, here are the final squads of all 8 franchisees after player auctions in Bengaluru. Number 1. Royal Challengers Bangalore. RCB has a squad strength of 24, out of which 8 are overseas players. Their funds remaining are about 15 lakh rupees. The players that they have retained include Virat Kohli for 17 crores and Sarfaraz Khan for 1.75 crores, and the overseas players retained include Abdi Villiers at 11 crore. Indian players bought at auction include Yuzvendra Chahal, Umesh Yadav, Washington Sundar, Navdeep Saini, Mohammad Siraj, Murugan Ashwin, Parthiv Patel, Mandeep Singh, Manan Vohra, Pawan Negi, Kulwant Khejrolia, Aniket Chaudhary, Anirudh Joshi and Pawan Deshpande. The overseas players bought at the auction include Chris Wokes, Brendan McCullum, Quinton de Kock, Colin de Grandhomme, Nathan Coulter-Nile, Moeen Ali and Tim Southey. Number 2. Chennai Super Kings. Chennai Super Kings have a squad strength of about 25 players, out of which 8 are overseas. Their funds remaining are 6.5 crores. The Indian players that they have retained include MS Dhoni at 15 crore rupees, Suresh Raina at 11 crore rupees and Ravindra Jadeja at 7 crore rupees. CSK has retained no international players. The Indian players bought at the auction include Kedar Jadhav, Karn Sharma, Shardul Thakur, Ambati Rayudu, Harbhajan Singh, Murali Vijay, Deepak Chahar, Asif KM, Jagdisan Narayan, Kanishk Seth, Dhruv Shohri, Kshitij Sharma, Monu Singh and Chaitanya Bishnoi. The overseas players retained by Chennai Super Kings include Dwayne Bravo, Shane Watson, Faf du Plessis, Mark Wood, Sam Billings, Imran Tahir, Mitchell Santner and Lungisani Nigidi. Number 3. Delhi Daredevils. Delhi Daredevils have a total squad of 25 players, out of which 8 are overseas. Their funds remaining are 1.6 crore rupees. The Indian players that they have retained include Rishabh Pant for 8 crore rupees and Shreyas Iyer for 7 crores. Out of the international players that they have retained, Chris Morris has been included for 11 crore rupees. The Indian players that they have bought at the auction include Gautam Gambhir, Amit Mishra, Vijay Shankar, Shahbaz Nadeem, Mohammad Shami, Rahul Tewatia, Naman Oja, Prithvi Shaw, Gurkirat Singh, Avesh Khan, Abhishek Sharma, Jayant Yadav, Harshan Patel, Manjot Kalra and Sayan Ghosh. The overseas players bought at the auction include Kagiso Rabada, Glenn Maxwell, Trent Bolt, Colin Munro, Jason Roy, Daniel Christian and Sandeep Lamichhane. Number 4. Sunrisers Hyderabad. Sunrisers Hyderabad have a total squad strength of 25 players, out of which 8 are overseas players. Their funds remaining are about 65 lakh rupees. The Indian players retained by Sunrisers Hyderabad include Bhuvaneshwar Kumar at 8.5 crore rupees and the overseas players include David Warner at 12.5 crore rupees. The Indian players bought by Sunrisers Hyderabad include Manish Pandey, Shikhar Dhawan, Vridhaman Saha, Siddharth Kaul, Deepak Huda, Saeed Khalil Ahmed, Sandeep Sharma, Yusuf Pathan, Shrivats Goswami, Basir Thampi, T. Natarajan, Ricky Bhui, Sachin Baby, Bipul Sharma, Tanmay Agarwal and Mehdi Hassan. The overseas players bought by Sunrisers Hyderabad at the auction include Rashid Khan, Kane Williamson, Shakib Al Hassan, Carlos Brathwaite, Mohammad Nabi, Chris Jordan and Billy Stanlake. Number 5. Kolkata Knight Riders. Kolkata Knight Riders have a total squad strength of about 19 players, out of which 8 are from overseas. Their funds remaining are absolutely zero. They have retained no Indian players but have retained 2 international overseas players, which include Sunil Narine at 8.5 crores and Andre Russell at 7 crore rupees. The Indian players bought at the auction this time by Kolkata Knight Riders include Dinesh Karthik, Robin Uthappa, Kuldeep Yadav, Piyush Chawla, Nitish Rana, Kamlesh Nagarkoti, Shivam Mavi, Shubham Gill, R. Vijay Kumar, Rinku Singh, Ishank Jaggi and Apoorv Wankhede. The overseas players bought at the auction include Chris Lynn, Mitchell Starc, Mitchell Johnson, Cameron Delport and Javon Searles. Number 5. Mumbai Indians. Mumbai Indians have a total squad strength of 25 players, out of which there are 8 international overseas players. The funds remaining are 65 lakh rupees. Indian players retained include Rohit Sharma at 15 crore rupees, Hardik Pandya at 11 crore rupees and Jasprit Bumrah at 7 crore rupees. No overseas players were retained this time. Indian players bought at the auction this time by Mumbai Indians include Krunal Pandya, Ishan Kishan, Surya Kumar Yadav, Rahul Chahar, Pradeep Sangwan, Saurabh Tiwari, Tajinder Dhillon, Siddesh Lad, Aditya Tare, Mayank Markande, Sharad Lamba, Anukul Roy, Mohsin Khan and Nidhish MD Dinesan. Overseas players bought by Mumbai Indians this time at the auction include Kyron Pollard, Pat Cummins, Evan Lewis, Mustafizur Rahman, Ben Cutting, Jason Behrendorff, JP Dumini and Akila Dhananjaya. Number 7. KXIP of Kings 11 Punjab. Kings 11 Punjab have a total squad strength of 21 players, out of which 7 are overseas players. Their funds remaining include 10 lakh rupees. The Indian players that they have retained include Aksar Patel at 6.75 crores. They have retained no overseas players. The Indian players bought at the auction by Kings 11 Punjab this time include KL Rahul, R. Ashwin, Karun Nair, Ankit Singh Rajput, Mohit Sharma, Barinder Sran, Yuvraj Singh, Mayank Agarwal, Manoj Tiwari, Akshdeep Nath, Pradeep Sahu, Mayank Dagar and Manzoor Dar. The overseas players bought this time by Kings 11 Punjab include Andrew Tay, Aaron Finch, Marcus Stoinis, Mujib Zadran, David Miller, Chris Gale and Ben Dwarshuis. And finally, number 8, Rajasthan Royals. Rajasthan Royals have a total squad strength of 23 players, out of which 8 are overseas. Their funds remaining are about 1.65 crore rupees. They have retained no Indian players this time, but the overseas players that they have retained include Steve Smith at 12.5 crore rupees. The Indian players bought by Rajasthan Royal this time at the auction include Jaydev Unadkat, Sanju Samson, Gautam Krishnappa, Ajinkya Rahane, Rahul Tripathi, Dhawal Kulkarni, Stuart Binney, Anureet Singh, Aryaman Vikram Birla, Prashant Chopra, Ankit Sharma, Shreya Gopal, Mahipal Lomror, Midhun S and Jatin Saxena. The overseas players bought by Rajasthan Royals this time at the auction include Ben Stokes, Jofra Archer, Joss Butler, Darcy Short, Zahir Khan Pakteen, Ben Laughlin and Dushmanta Chamira. Well, that's about it for this time. Do let us know what are your opinions of the auctions that happened this time at the IPL 2018 in Bengaluru. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.